Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, all you fam jams. It's your boy here, Kenzie Craig Michaels, bringing you the best in the beauty industry. Everything that's absolutely gorgeous, stunning, and delicious. That's right, everything that's absolutely gorgeous, stunning, and delicious. And if this is your first time joining me, thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. Please just make sure that you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell for future notifications, and you will be notified when Kenzie Craig Michaels uploads a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support and watching my videos on a regular, consistent basis. So today is a special day. Yes, it is a special day, and I'm super, super excited to showcase to you this product. As promised, I said, besides the 10 mascaras that we were doing for the war against mascaras, where 10 mascaras were fighting back to back, duking it out for the best mascara on the market, I wanted to showcase you a mascara that is very underestimated in the marketplace. One that was actually not included in the 10 mascaras, but one that is super great for the bottom lash line. That's right, ladies. If you have problems applying your mascara to your bottom lash lines, stay tuned for this channel episode. It is not going to be a long video, so I just want to make sure that you guys can understand that so that you guys can see the application. I've already applied it actually on this lash, on the bottom lash, and it's actually a bottom lash mascara. How cool is that? So the mascara is actually the Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara. And when I open it, you guys are gonna be like, whoa, this is absolutely crazy how small the brush is. So this is absolutely fantastic. I had a lot of viewers that were asking me, you know, what could I use on my lashes if I had baby fine lashes? Or, you know what, I find the wands, you know, the brush wands, whether they're rubber or they're natural bristles, that they're just way too big. You know, I get lots of goops. I get, you know, I'm trying to do the bottom lashes, and what happens is that, you know, the black mascara drops down onto underneath their eye area, and it just creates a mess. But they want to have the illusion, and they want to have that black depth to the eye area. And even though they're rimming with their black eyeliner, whether it's a luxury brand eyeliner or one from the drugstore, it doesn't really matter as long as your black eyeliner is waterproof, then this is the perfect product for you. So when I was actually selling Clinique, I sold this product like it was going out of style because it is so super lush, it's super fantastic, and it's super easy to apply. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today, how to apply the Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara. So like I said, I've done one eye on this side, and I'm going to be doing it on this side as promised, because it is an integral part of your mascara routine to make sure that you do your bottom lashes. If you choose not to do your bottom lashes, that is totally up to you. That's a personal choice. You do not have to do your bottom lashes, but a lot of women who've actually grown up in the 80s, 90s, you know, early 2000s are used to doing their bottom lashes, and they want to have their bottom lashes done. And what it does is it does actually open the eye area much more than just having the top of the lash line coated. So we're going to go ahead and actually start applying this. And I want you guys to see, so it comes in this cute little tube, super cute, super lush, super fantastic, super delicious. And when it comes out, guys, this is what it actually looks like. Look how fine this brush is. It is so small. It is so frigging amazing. It's so effing amazing. I can't even describe how amazing this brush wand is. So if you guys even want to try to, like, if you're trying to get into the corners here, the outer corners of your lashes on the top lash line, or the inner corners of the lash line as well, it's perfect for that. So don't just think of it as a bottom lash mascara. Think of it as, you know, a dual mascara that you can actually use to enhance not only the top lash line, but also the bottom line. So once I've actually applied my eyeliner, I'm actually going to be applying the bottom lash one. And all you're going to be doing is wiggling it back and forth. And you can actually feel it going right on top of the lashes and wiggling back and forth. And it's so easy to do that I'm just pulling them forward like so. So back and forth all all the way around and then just pulling them forward. Now, if you ever find that you're actually getting a little bit of, you know, droopage or anything like that, I call it droopage, but, you know, just take a cotton Q-tip, wet it, and then just apply underneath the eye area to get that off. So that's, guys, is applied, and it's so, so easy to do, you know, like especially in this corner area here. Super, super easy, right into the inner corner as well. I'll just do this opposite side as well where I've already done it so you guys can see. So it's super fine, it's super great, especially if you have short lashes. Short lashes, love this brush. Totally, totally love this brush. It is absolutely fantastic. And if you know how excited I am when I get excited about mascara, this is why I'm excited about it, because it's a fantastic, truly underestimated product by Clinique. And if you have not purchased this product, you need to go to your Clinique counter. Once everything that's happening in the world is over, you need to go to your Clinique counter and actually purchase this, or at your fine department store in the US or in Canada. You can purchase it at any beauty boutique, Shoppers Drug Mart, or any fine department store. That being said, it is truly, truly stellar, fantastic, lush. You will absolutely adore it. Absolutely adore it. So, you know, great for the upper lash line, great for the bottom lash line, great for enhancing the inner corners or the outer corners, inner corners and outer corners of the lashes on both sides of the eye area. So I didn't want you guys to miss out on that. That was my little secret that I was keeping for you guys. So that is the Clinique Bottom Lash Enhancer, and it's a long wearing formula. So long wearing meaning not necessarily waterproof, but it is long wearing. So long wearing would be about, you know, 10 to 12 hours, at least a work day. So if you guys haven't entered the April contest yet, please make sure that you do. All you have to do is leave a comment in my comment section, and I'm not getting any comments. Like, how horrible is that? You're getting a free mascara, one for Canada, one for the United States, and you get to choose your mascara from Sephora. I will send it to you with a personal love note from Kenzie Craig Michaels. Do not miss out on this, guys. Like, I'm giving free stuff away, you know, and you know, it's so, so easy to win. All you need to do is say, hey, Benefit's my mascara of choice. Lancome's my is my mascara of choice. Whatever it may be, Rihanna, you know, it doesn't, Marc Jacobs, it doesn't really matter to me. Your name just goes into a draw and I pull the name and I send it to you as long as you live in Canada and the USA. So thank you so much for watching again. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels. Kisses and love and all the best, and have a fantastic and fabulous day. And make sure you go and get that bottom lash line once we get out of this self-isolating mode and that we can actually return to our regular lives. Cheers, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.